Practical Guide to Lubrication and Maintenance of Motor Bearings. Lubricant selection in the lubrication and maintenance of motor bearings. The selection of grease is crucial after practical verification. The selection of LGHP2 brand grease is an ideal choice. This grease has excellent lubrication performance and stability, can effectively reduce friction and wear during bearing operation, and provide reliable lubrication guarantee for motor bearings. Bearing structure and maintenance points, H200 and below motors. This type of motor is equipped with closed bearings. When leaving the factory, the bearings are pre-filled with sufficient LGHP2 grease to meet the motor's operating requirements under normal working conditions. Therefore, during the operation of the motor, no additional grease is required, and the motor is not equipped with a grease nozzle. This design is maintenance-free, which greatly reduces the user's maintenance cost and operating difficulty. However, the user still needs to regularly inspect the motor's appearance to ensure that the motor is in a good operating environment and avoid external factors affecting the bearing performance. H250 and above motors. C250 and above motors use open bearings, since the grease of open bearings will gradually consume and deteriorate during operation. In order to ensure that the bearings are always in good operating condition, grease needs to be replenished regularly. In order to facilitate maintenance, a cylindrical grease nozzle is specially set near the motor end cover. We recommend that users add grease to the bearings of this type of motor every 6 months. When adding grease, pay attention to the appropriate amount to avoid excessive or insufficient grease that affects the bearing performance. WGT China Weigao Reducer Co. Ltd. hereby reminds all users, pay attention to model differences during maintenance. Avoid misoperation of maintenance-free bearings and ensure the operating efficiency and life of the motor.